Hey, what's up, traders? Wednesday, April 12th, 8:28 a.m. Here are your morning ideas. Hey, what's up, traders? I wanted to get this going right before 8:30 because 8:30 is the CPI number. You can see up here in Forex Factory, we have CPI at 8:30 and FOMC at 2. Kind of an odd day to have them both on the same day. And frankly, I haven't done morning ideas. I've been a little bit lazy doing them just because we've been in the same area, and I don't want to keep saying the same things over again. I'm sure you guys are tired of hearing it. The reason that I'm doing them today is because we are nearing the top of this area again, and we're nearing it on a day where it's pretty heavy with news, right? So I could probably move this up here now. 4175 looks like the top of that, and then we have some more volume, and then the real top you got to be worried about is 4250. I mean, that's a bit out of reach. Well, maybe not, depending on how the day goes. You can see that overnight here at 61%, just because we have news today. Yesterday was a non-committal day too, just a up and down range day. Today so far, up and down range day as we get into the news. Looks like the news is about to come out or has come out. Here we go. We're going to start jumping around based on the CPI number and see if we can push out of this range. Let's see. Let's go over to Forex Factory and see if... Okay, so the CPI number came in forecasted at 5%, and it's come in at 5.1%. It came in at 5%, so that's lower. It's probably going to shoot the market higher, which it has. And so here we go. This is really important, more so than usual, because we're at the high of that area, right? So we're pushing into this 4175, and above. Again, the last part of that volume really is 4250. If we can get above 4250, we're probably off to greener pastures, higher and back into this area from up here where we were. Not. I mean, we haven't been there for a year. We haven't been up there for a year, but it would push us back into that area. So it's interesting to see if we start to settle down here, or we keep pushing with FOMC later on in the day. It's kind of it's like I said, it's an odd day to be pushing out of range, out of a 1 year range. On news with very important news later on in the day. You don't see that too often, and this is why I always say that context is king. This news day is a little bit different than the last news day because of where we are. And there's so many nuances in trading that you've got to really understand the dynamics to all of this. Okay. So these are the areas I'm looking for. First one, value high, 4170 area. Next one, 4250, which is the other side of basically the end of the volume of this big area, would be about 4250. And you don't want to see the market falling back down towards 44,000. Okay. I mean, again, that's 160 points away, but I think we can make it that far in a day when we have a lot of news. All right. So if I made this bigger, you can see the kind of move that the news has brought. And understanding which of the news events is driving the market these days is very important when you're trading, because we do have traders holding through some news events and don't know which news events move the market and which ones don't. Well, CPI is definitely a driver right now. Okay, so I will leave you guys with that today. Hopefully we'll get out of here and we'll get back into the rhythm of making these morning ideas every day, because I enjoy doing it, but it gets kind of boring when we're doing the same thing and I'm saying the same thing every day. Okay. Please get your memes in. The meme challenge, we're giving away the free pro accounts, will end on, I believe, ends on Sunday. We'll do the drawing on Monday. Okay, guys. That's it for me today. Pro Plus, all of the FAQs are up online, so find them on the YouTube page here, where I'll go over all of the Pro Plus stuff with the 90-10 profit split, no 50 executions, no daily loss limit, all of those things. So a lot of stuff to kind of consume over there on the YouTube page, with a lot of changes coming to Take Profit. I'm James to Take Profit. Trade well. Be sure you watch your risk, and we'll see you guys soon.